I know you're super excited to take a photo. You can sit in the front though, because you're excited. You have to go in the front. You're gonna enjoy the ride. We know you've been waiting for this forever.
Criminal offensive side.
We're here in SANRIO PUROLAND. Period. Never been, don't know anything about it, but we'll see. The 5-year-old me is so excited. What are you excited about? I want to see the characters. What else is there? Rides.
I'm just here for the merch.
She's here for the merch. It's so like small. I know you're super excited to take a photo. Look at you skipping. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Cute, chat. 35th. It's been here for 35 years. All right, okay, let's go. We're here. That's it. We saw it. Okay, we're checking out the store. Cute. We don't know. Ooh, it lights up. Wait. Should I get a headband? Can you see it? Who's this? Who are you? Who's this? Oh my god, look how cute. It's the looking in the butt for me. What the heck? What the? You like pink and purple? Wow. You match your backpack. Obviously, I got the ears. Yeah. Yeah. It's kind of big. Down the road. Wow. It's crazy. It's all like inside. Oh, there's a boat ride. What? Yeah, we can ride. I can ride with you guys. Yeah, we can ride the boat ride. Oh, there's a baby center. It's over there. Are you baby? You want the baby center? It's over there.
Oh, that's you. Go.
Go. That's your baby center. Okay, we're gonna drop you off and then we're gonna ride the rides.
It's like daycare.
We're watching whatever this is. There's a lot of show, and we're in line for one of them. I don't know if I could record. Probably not. I don't know. If I had to guess the plot, because it's all in Japanese, I'd guess that they yassified the blackbird. Then they're trying to figure out what should Hello Kitty wear, and then one of the dancers had a crash out, and then he became evil. And then what else happened? He was like, I actually love you, so then I'm gonna use you right now. That was the end. There was a lot of singing. I think with the power of song, he became good again in the end. This. I like their reenactments.
I do.
Oh, you asked that Mango what
Ask.
happened.
They all died.
What's your favorite part of the show?
Favorite part?
Yeah. What'd you like? The what?
What?
You understood everything?
It's like they mention your name, you know that?
Huh?
They mention your name. Tali, happy birthday. No more stroller.
There's boba. Hamburger steak. Hamburger steak. Wait, what's the difference? Wait, this one's cute though. Is it better if I wear it like this?
I'm trying to figure out how to wear it.
I usually wear it like back, but I don't know. These are huge ears though. Big these ears are. And I got it. Cute, cute. I don't know what this pink sauce is. Is it like that pink sauce like that girl made? They got banned.
Oh.
What is that? What is this? The broccoli. What is this?
It's broccoli.
You want broccoli? I know you love it. Why you be lying? His dead face. Yum. Ooh, my Melody and Kuromi. This is just the photo area. Okay. We're watching the parade. Watch, watch, watch.
Let's watch the parade. Let's watch the parade.
parade going on. We're in the way. We gotta go. Oh, up the stairs. Wow. Oh, she's up there. There's a parade inside. That's crazy.
優しい君を見てちょっと応援したくなって君の気持ちに触れたくてちょっと愛の気持ち溢れちゃった
One. She couldn't have gum, so she's having Sour Patch. Yeah, can I have one? How many can I have? Just one?
5
A 5? Okay, you can count 5.
1 2
3. Scuba. Scuba.
Go, 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 go.
Scuba.
永遠に幸せになれる日々、それは光り輝くもの。試練を乗り越えるには
It's like a rave. I literally look like I'm in a rave right now. Just lighting This lighting's really good. Snow here. Almost there. We've waited an hour and it was posting an 100-minute wait. It's just like around and then we're here. The show's still going on. The plot is plotting in the show. What are they doing? I'm so curious what they're doing down there. You're gonna sound familiar. What song is this? This is a song. What song is it? If you know it, leave your thoughts in the comments down below. She's oh my god. Wait, why does the song sound familiar? Ooh, oh my god, it's pretty. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Wow, 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 wow. Look at it. It's so cute. There and it's been 111. So if you're gonna go on it and you need to get a priority pass, go during the parade. Bye. Have fun. Bye. Whee! Wow, first one of the day. It's like you, oh my god. You're wearing cinnamon roll merch. The drop? There's a drop? What is this? Slow drop though, slow drop. I know, ooh. Oh my god, my faves. Not gonna lie, this ride is longer than I thought. Did they take the photo already? Yeah. Okay. Thoughts? Wait, I wish the show was still going on. Oh my god, yes! So cute! So cute! So cute! literally the finale, but it's a small room when they're all together. Cute. What is this, Space Mountain? The boat goes. Whoosh. What happened? Like, the ride's still going. Honestly surprised. The ride's at least been 5 minutes. Wow. Oh my gosh. Yes. I love them. Love the bar where I'll be. Oh my god. Oh, I missed it. I was looking at them. Why is the park so quiet now that all the everything is... How long was that parade?
25 minutes.
25?
That's why this ride takes so long.
I know.
They space it out so there's no boat in front.
I know. Like, I was present in front of us.
The other ride.
Oh yeah.
Look at our picture.
I'm like literally looking in the different direction.
Oh.
Cause I was looking at I was like, over there. Hi.
Bye.
Bye. Basically an 8-minute ride. Wait, it's so cute. They're so cute, the little attractions. I honestly don't know where we're at. This is the other ride. It's saying it's 90 minutes. It's like a dark ride. It's so cute. Okay, I started the timer. What are you doing, girl? It's been 35 minutes. Front row over here. You sit. Go sit, go sit. We're almost there. Not really. Still got a line. You want to be in the front?
He's shorter.
Sure, it's because it's his favorite. It's not that deep, bro. Yo, there's like directions. Low key, we need this in America. You having fun? Oh, girl. You good? Then you should start being right. You can sit in the front though, because you're excited.
You have to go on the front.
You gotta enjoy the ride. We know you've been waiting for this forever. I guess the wait time is 1 hour and 9 minutes. Don't forget there's a photo. You're gonna smile for the photo. We're getting Kuromi? Yes. You're in the front, you're in the front. Your favorite ride. It's your favorite ride.
You smile. Go look big.
Bro, you didn't even smile for the camera. You looked down too early. Yeah.
Plot twist, it turns into a robot.
Wow, we're finally on the ride.
We wait 90 minutes for
It
this.
was an hour and 10 minutes, actually.
You're gonna like it.
Bombastic side eye.
Oh. I didn't know there was another photo. Is there a photo in each room? This ride is so slow. Whoa. Okay. The door. What the? Run her over. So this is just like a photo room. There's a photo in every room. Whoa. Look, he's genuinely interested. Oh, we're done. 3 minutes of a ride. Photo shoot ride. This is literally a photo every stop. Slay, I guess. You had fun?
Criminal offense side.
This is, oh, it gives a free one. What do we do? How do you scan this? Here. Damn.
I was on the phone that time.
This one I'm not even looking. This one. Oh, it's cute. Wait, why are these kind of fun? Yeah, that one's cute. Give it a heart. Of course we had to get it. We how to get it. This is literally just a photo shoot ride. They have a YouTube plaque. Get it? It's so cute. See, I want this one, but I also want these two, but I need both. Who's this? I think this is the last thing we're doing, whatever this is. Wait, what? There's a height requirement? Are you tall enough? See? This? These are station seat, yeah. Which is the regular seats. Wait, feet together, feet together. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. I'm surprised she made it. I feel like if that was Mario Kart, we would have been like, wow. So it's kind of like Star Tours. Well, they move. Fake eating. She's still fake eating.
It's a ride.
So it was a ride show. Oh, that's cute. What? Look at this.
Give a magic wand.
Car got 4th place. Okay, gamer. His photo was on the screen. I'm like, period.
The first two, they covered their faces like they know.
Oh, they probably come here often. Wow, 4th place. Turn me.
Wake up! Run, rush, and put a little makeup. I'm just has to fade away the shake up. Why'd you leave the keys up on the table? Here you go, create another table. You wanted to.
Oh, girl. Did it do anything? I think it did something. Oh, it's doing this. Look, look, look up here. Okay, let's go. So many stairs. Did you like the last ride? You look like you were having fun in the last ride.
I only like second.
You didn't win though.
I'm not trying to say you got.
I don't remember. Wait, what is this? Why is there like a lot of nothing? Are you emoting? She's so hyper. Good. I heard that. We're at the like Sleeping Beauty castle where you could walk through. I think that's it. We didn't do a lot of show. Thanks for watching. That's it. It's a very cutesy, a cutesy part. Oh my god.